Hey my loves, welcome back to the Tasty Jamaica kitchen. Today I'm going to be sharing my secret on how to get the most creamy, most delicious mashed potatoes right at home in your kitchen. So let's get right into it. First thing you want to do is peel your potatoes. I am using 6 medium-sized potatoes here. Alright, and you just want to go ahead and peel them off. Right away, I'm going to go ahead and put them in some water. Because if you know, whenever you peel potatoes and you leave it out like in the air for the air to touch it, like before you get ready to use it, it just changed color and we can't have no brown potatoes for our perfect, nice mashed potatoes. And we also want to go ahead and remove any imperfections from the potatoes because we don't want to be eating and seeing those. You know, like I personally don't like to see that. If that doesn't bother you, you don't have to do this extra step, but I recommend doing it. All right, just remove those extra pieces. And there you have it, a nice perfect potato. All right, so you're gonna go ahead and cut up your potatoes in cube sizes. All right, so this just helps the potatoes to cook quicker. All right, and you want to cut it more like uniform so that they all cook at the same time. All right, so go ahead and cut up your potatoes. And then we're going to put them back in the water right away because we don't want them to turn color at all. All right, so we have perfectly cleaned, peeled potatoes. Okay, guys. All right, so now we're going to go ahead and put a pot on your stove, add some water in there, cover it so that it could boil. Once it's boiling, we're going to go ahead and add our potatoes in. Okay, and then we're going to cover it and allow it to cook. Now, to make sure your potatoes is cooked, just use a fork and check it. And walla ba, pour off the water. Here you have your perfectly cooked potatoes. All right, then you want to add some salt in and some butter and go to town with your masher. Now, if you don't have a masher, use a fork. It does the same job. All right, so this is the potato masher here that I'm using. And the butter is gonna melt in the potatoes. So we start with the butter and the salt first. And notice I didn't put any salt in the pot while I was boiling it. So you could either put the salt in the pot while you're boiling the potatoes, or you could put the salt in the potatoes. Either way, it doesn't make a difference. It still gets seasoned and it's nice and flavorful. All right, and you see how creamy that's getting already? That's what you wanna have. And I love this seasoning. It's the Goya Complete Seasoning. So it just gives a different little flavor. Besides just the salt, it gives a different flavor to the mash whenever you use that seasoning. So go ahead and add your favorite seasoning in there, not too much, just a little sprinkle, because I'm sure whatever you're pairing this with is already seasoned as well. And we're done with that now, so we're going to shake off all our potatoes so we don't waste nothing, and go on with some heavy cream. All right, so you just want to use some heavy whipping cream. You can use heavy cream, milk, whatever you have in your fridge. You just want some kind of milk-based substance. All right, and this thing right here is what makes the magic. A hand mixer. All right, so you want to use that. If it's a hand mixer, a stand mixer, whatever, this is a crucial step because this is gonna whip your mashed potatoes to make them just so creamy and delicious. I'm telling you, this is a game changer right here. Y'all have to try this and comment down below and tell me that this is not the best mashed potato you ever made at home. I'm telling y'all. Y'all gotta try this. Y'all gotta try this step. Mashing it is not enough. You gotta whip it. Gotta whip it because this makes it super smooth, super creamy, super delicious. I am so happy that I'm able to share my recipe with y'all today, guys. It is bomb.com. So simple. And you see the few ingredients that I have here. You know what I mean? So yeah, go ahead and whip your potatoes, guys. There you have it, nice, smooth, creamy mashed potatoes. Look at that. Look how creamy that is. Look how perfect, creamy, and delicious that looks. Guys, if you love what you see, give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel and make sure you share this with your friends and family so they could know how to make themselves some nice, creamy mashed potatoes. Game changer, guys. Everything that I did here, you gotta replicate and just enjoy this. You know what I mean? We're gonna go ahead and plate it up here so it's nice and pretty for the eyes. When your family eats it, it's just gonna be so yummy. So we're gonna transfer it out the bowl into our little container here, smooth it out, and it's gonna be delicious. I just sprinkle some little parsley on there to garnish it. You know what I mean? Yeah, so good. And with this, I am serving some chicken wings that I'm going to show y'all in a minute. But look how creamy that is. Look at that. Look at how the fork just glides into that. Look how smooth and perfect that is. Like, so good, so creamy, so nice. Don't you want to just eat that? So good, guys. But here are the wings I was telling y'all about. These are some jerk barbecue wings. All right, perfectly paired with this. You can pair it with anything you want, but this is great with it as well. I'm gonna share this recipe pretty soon, in a few days, on my channel, so you can know how to make yourself some nice jerk barbecue wings. I'm so excited for y'all to try this. So excited for y'all to try this. Everything came together so perfectly. Guys, check out this mashed potatoes. So good, guys. Buttery, creamy, delicious. And the recipe for the wings is coming pretty soon, so go ahead and stay tuned for that. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, stay blessed.